Fifth wheels have long been known as the pinnacle of towables in the RV industry. But there's always been this give and take, having to sacrifice the versatility of a fifth wheel for the premier finish of a luxury Class A. But times have changed. This is the next generation of RVs. This is a class all its own. This is the 2021 Vanleigh Vilano 385RD. When Vanleigh broke the mold on fifth wheels, they started by surveying what was presumed the best. From there, they were able to breathe new life into the industry. Their fifth wheels are now the perfect RV cocktail. 1 part rugged, 2 part sophistication, infused with modern technology, and a splash of Tiffin's Southern charm. After cruising into your campsite, the 6-point auto LCI one-touch hydraulic leveling system makes setting up a breeze. When you're ready to hit the road again, simply select Vilano's auto re-hitch memory function. Its system will remember the exact height from when the RV was unhitched. The 2021 Vilano is outfitted with a powder-coated aluminum wet bay. Easily drain your tanks with its electronic black and gray water dump gates. Notice the attention to detail with the laser cut labeling, which will ensure readability for years to come. Additional details such as the bay doors with built-in slam latches and magnetic door stops will make you wonder how you ever camped without them. Underneath, you'll find that the Road Armor shock-absorbing equalizer handles bumps and potholes to safely deliver you and your fifth wheel to your destination. When it comes to exterior storage, most fifth wheels limit their unit to a modest front-end storage compartment, but the 385RD flips the script, giving you a massive 4-foot by 7.5-foot slide tray spanning the entire rear compartment, meaning you no longer have to compromise when packing your golf clubs, your cookware, or your camping gear. Now you can take it all with you. Vanleigh showed a real consideration to their end consumer by putting their electric cord reel at the back of the RV, which is generally where the power hookups are located. When stepping in, you're welcomed by the warm tones of the solid wood cabinets. This open concept kitchen greets you with all the comforts from home, like the stainless steel residential oven, microwave, and refrigerator. This 385RD is Vanleigh's creative take on a modern fifth wheel. As one of their largest floor plans, it boasts extraordinary storage, a large den, and this contemporary kitchen. The hand-laid backsplash frames the galley kitchen window, filling the room with soft, natural light, adding depth to the kitchen. Enjoy crisp white wine or champagne chilled to the perfect temperature. The Vilano features the Avante wine chiller, which is tucked perfectly in the upper kitchen hutch. You can tell Vanleigh designed this space for comfortable living. The 2 74-inch trifold sofas and 60-inch theater sofa provide plenty of seating for family and friends. The focal point in the room is the cozy fireplace, providing warmth in the fall, and the full Furrion entertainment system can be enjoyed year-round. When it's time to wind down for the evening, you can wash up in the Vilano's sizable in-suite bathroom. Inside, you'll find amenities that transcend expectations, including a large shower, residential toilet, medicine cabinet, and storage for linens. From there, it's time to rest and recharge because let's be honest, living out your bucket list can be exhausting. The Vilano's spacious bedroom features a king cool mattress, hardwood accents like the elaborate headboard, a full-size wardrobe, and a high-efficiency washer-dryer. Enjoy your morning coffee from bed as you watch the sunrise through any of the 3 windows. Each window covering includes rolling blinds that reduce the sun's glare and blackout curtains to help you sleep in. The 385RD allows you to indulge in your weekends. You can grab a bottle of wine and sit out by the fire with family and friends, or watch the kickoff on the big screen TV. The Vilano is a revolutionary fifth wheel. The design is beautiful and timeless as the places you'll find with it. Enjoy a modern yet practical floor plan with plenty of space to entertain, which is important because traveling in the company of those we love is home in motion. I'm Ryan Kelly with Beaver Coach Sales and Service, and I look forward to seeing you down the road.